Hello everyone, my name's Janae. Welcome to Diamond Painting Reviews by Janae. Today's video I'm going to be doing a full post review on this painting that you see. But before we get started, a big howdy and a welcome to all my new subscribers. Also to all of my subscribers, you guys are the best and I can't thank you enough for your encouragement and support. So by saying that everyone, I have reached over 500 subscribers and I'm going to be doing a 500 subscriber free giveaway. So the details won't be in this video, but it will be in the following video. So stay tuned for that and I will be going over all the details on that free giveaway in that video. Also, it's September, yay! That means that Paint into Fall event has started in the Facebook group Crafty Things by Janae and Island Girl. If you're interested in participating in the event, all that information will be down below in the description. So we would love to have you paint along with us. Now, also, there is a collaboration between myself and Rob, aka Diamond Painting Dog Dad, and that will be working hand in hand with that event. So again, that is Paint into Fall. It is being hosted by the Facebook group Crafty Things by Janae and Island Girl. And again, all of that information down below in the description. So let's go ahead and get into this full post review. Oh, almost forgot one more announcement, sorry. If any of you are interested in the crystal drills that I sell on my Etsy store, I am having a 20% off during the Labor Day weekend. So again, that's 20% off during Labor Day weekend, and I will have my Etsy store linked down below as well. So if you're interested in purchasing any of the crystal drills that I have to offer, jump on over there and yeah, 20% off, that's really good. Also too, if anyone is interested in the customized drill catchers, please reach out to me via email. And the reason why I'm asking you to do that is I'm still waiting for the tubs to come in. I did order them, however, it's taken a little bit of time to get here. If there is a specific theme that you want, if you reach out to me now and I don't have that specific theme, please reach out to me, and so that way I can get that specific theme that you're looking for. And again, if you want to go ahead and purchase a customized drill catcher, even though I'm out of stock, I can set up a specific ad for you and you can purchase it with that 20% off as well. So you just need to email me first, or you can send me a message in Etsy and I will respond to you very quickly. All right, so let's get into this full post review. So this painting came from FGNormal.com. It is a 30 by 40 full square drill and it has 25 colors. One of the reasons why I decided to do this painting is because it was a square, and to be honest, the square drills this last year has just been horrific. So I thought, you know what, if I'm going to try out their square drills, I want to try it in a smaller painting, because normally I go more towards the 60 centimeters and up versus this size. So the one thing that I feel about this painting is it's too small. And again, that was my choice. That was not the store. This painting would look fabulous in like a 40 by 60. But because it's a 30 by 40, it's small, so it does look pixelated. But I have to say, in the viewfinder, it looks pretty good. So there were a couple of cons in this painting, and we're going to go over those quickly. And the one con that really stumped me a little bit was the letter F, or the symbol F. It was in a dark green background and the letter itself was a faint yellow. So even with my light pad and my magnifiers, I had a bit of difficulty following that particular symbol. The other issue that I came across was with 310 and 939. As diamond painters, we all know that the darker colors, if anything's wrong with those drills, the darker colors are going to show it. And when I got to the 310s and the 939s, I could see some of the drills had that concaved side, or what I call the crescent moon cutout. It wasn't a lot of the drills, but they were there. So in cases like that, what I do is I will take those drills and I will place them off to the side. And if I have to use them, I have them. If I don't have to use them, they just immediately go into the garbage. With this kit, I had tons of leftovers, so I didn't have to use any of those bad drills. But I did want to bring it up to you. So only those 2 colors had that particular problem. The remaining colors were simply a joy to work with. So let's get into the pros, because there's quite a few. So first and foremost, this canvas comes with poured glue, which is great. I love to work with poured glue. The glue was very tacky and the drills did not do any slipping and sliding on that glue. The other thing that I really liked about this painting was the schematics. The schematics is a perfect size. It's not too big and it's not too small. Very easy to read. Even without my magnifiers, I could tell exactly what was on this schematic. So very nice. Also, the schematic is on both sides of the painting. Because this painting is smaller than I usually work on, for me, to have 2 schematics isn't necessary, but it's very much appreciated. So I'm really pleased to see that they do put schematics on both sides of their canvas. You can tell how sticky it is. It's still sticky on the corners. The drill field was very clear. The symbols, other than the F, were very easy to follow. I had no issues there at all. And other than the 310s and the 939s, the drills were fabulous. They were so nice to work with. So by saying that, I really loved working on this painting. It took me about 3 days to work up, and I had a great time working with it. So everyone, again, this comes from FGNormal.com. If you're interested in taking a look at what they have, they've got tons of things to offer. They've got diamond paintings, special kits. They have boxes. Oh my gosh, storage boxes that you can actually diamond paint. I'm so tempted to get a few of those. They have notebooks, bookmarks, stickers. They have a lot to offer. So if you're interested in taking a look, I will have that link down below in the description as well. So everyone, if you enjoyed the video, please let me know by giving me that thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it. Also, if you're new to the channel or just stopping by, I hope you'll consider subscribing to the channel. If you do decide to subscribe, please don't forget to hit the bell that is right next door to that subscribe button. That bell will let you know when I've uploaded my next video. So everyone, by saying that, if it is morning for you, have a very pleasant morning. If it's afternoon for you, have an excellent rest of your afternoon. And if it's evening for you, have a very relaxing evening. Again, my name's Janae. Thank you for joining me today on the review. We'll talk again real soon. Take care, everyone. Don't forget about that 500 subscriber giveaway, and we'll see you soon. Bye for now.